right, brother. What we doing today?
I'm gonna do a high fade, high taper, no C cups.
Yep.
The beard wide. Pretty much. That's really about it.
Okay, cool. I got you, brother. All right.
Yo, YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Beam, and today we got one of those bangers. If you're new to my channel, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, or hit that notification bell to get alerted when new videos come out, and let's get it. So I want to go off by combing my client's hair, lifting the hair off of the client's head, raising it so my guards can pass through as clean as possible. And as you guys can see, you know, I'm just attacking that with a comb towards the top part and a brush towards the bottom part. Same thing, combing the beard out, elevating everything, getting everything in a nice position, in a nice place for me to be able to run my, guards through. And as we notice that my client has a light spot in the crown area, but we gonna take care of everything and get everything to look even and clean. So I'm gonna go in with a #1 guard completely open using my Tomb 45 T45 clipper, best clipper on the market, still hands down. 2-speed clipper. I'm using a double wedge blade on this, so my blade opened up to damn near a #2. And as you guys can see, we're gonna do some clean passes, you know, brush one, fade one, but also, you know, cleanly move our way through this canvas to get everything down to that one desired length. That's exactly what I'm on. You know, I heard the client, I understood the client in terms of it being wave lift, but he also wanted me to blend in, you know, the lighter areas up top in the crown area with the wave length itself. So what I'm gonna do is just, you know, stay true to what's going on, stay consistent as possible, you know, and just push my pace, stay consistent. Like, this is what I do, this is who I am. I'm Beam. When I'm behind the chair, you know, I listen to my clients when I consult with them, and I try to take their haircuts to the next level by putting them in places that they never been in, giving them razor sharp images that they never seen, giving them a look that they've never had from a barber. That's what I do, you know what I'm saying? I raise the value, I raise the stock, you know what I'm saying? I push the pace to a whole nother level. My next step is to go in with my T45 trimmer, you know, modded by the Blade Lab. That's my business, that's my company, you know, the Blade Lab business, which is where we sharpen and set and modify blades to your liking to get them as sharp as possible and to get your, you know what I'm saying, to get your images at a high level. As you guys can see here, I'm just tapping and going, creating a clean line, but not trying to create no demarcations in the skin. My next step is a 1/2 inch completely open using my T45 clipper on a double wedge blade. And as you guys can see, we got that knocked out. My next step is with my #1 guard completely open, another 1/2 inch above that. We're just taking our time. I'm gonna drop them halfway here to clean up a little bit between there. And just slowly start to, you know what I'm saying, debulk this area and create that gradient beautiful effect. Big shout out to my dog Germ Boomin for the beat. You know, the vibes is always there. My dog is always putting pain out there when it comes to creating the beats. You know, it's been a long time my dog been, you know what I'm saying, producing for this channel. One of the best that's out there doing it. I think I got the best beat selection out of all the YouTube barbers or whoever you wanna, you know what I'm saying, line me up against. I think we put belt out easy over here. It's just the frequency of how these beats is made. It's just how the samples is placed in. It's just how, you know, the instruments line up. You know, Germ is really that guy. That boy is special. He been special since he been on this channel, and this channel literally is only in a place that it's in because the music that Germ make for this channel is very essential to my process, and it's very essential to who I am. I love samples, you know what I'm saying, coming from Chicago. Like Kanye was one of our favorites, Twista was one of our favorites, Common was one of our favorites, and like when they put the records together like this, it's just a beautiful thing. So as you guys see, I did the same steps that I did up top to the taper, to the top of the beard, just so I could blend it in. Now punching in my nape lines right here, starting super low because I want to keep this taper low, because my client has a real big indentation in the back of his head, as you guys can see where that crease is. That indentation is always gonna look a little bit darker because it's an indentation, but just take your time. 1/2 of an inch completely open right here. As you guys can see, brush one, fade one, boom. Number 1 guard completely open, another 1/2 inch, and we just rocking out right here. And we don't wanna go above this area at all, just because of the indentation, and it's gonna look a little bit darker in that area, but you know, truth be told, it's just faded. Then I close them, flip them around, go with the grain, raking downwards, then turn them back around, open them back up, completely open and against the grain. You know, we just taking our time. It's all about sauce. It's all about flavor. It's all about putting yourself in that predicament of elevating your image. And now completely halfway closing, I'm gonna close them up even more, just and open them up more as I get to the higher part of the fades, just to bring it all the way together. This is what it's always been about. You know, sitting in my chair, like, that's just who I am, bro. Like, I love to get in my bag. I love my own stilo. Like, I love like working in my own area. It's all about, you know what I'm saying, me and my clients and taking their images to those next levels. That's what I always been about. So, you know, all of you guys out there, I would love to give a free haircut out. If you guys could hit me up on Instagram or drop your name in this comment section. I'm located in Tampa, Florida. I would love to give somebody a free haircut. Just send pictures of your hair and, you know, we'll set it up. But we on the right side of the client's head, and it's the most important part of the client's head, because this is where we get groovy with the world. Now recently, you know, I've been through something like, you know what I'm saying, super personal, super life-changing in terms of my family. In days I be thinking that I'm not okay. Some days I do feel like I'm okay. Some days, you know what I'm saying, I just really don't know. And I feel like when you don't know, it's the best time to place your life in God's hands. It's the best time you take your hands off of the wheel, you know what I'm saying, and do the things that make you you. You know what I'm saying? Like, change your regimen. Sometimes, you know, doing a daily routine, you know what I'm saying, it'll mess you up because you're so used to things. Sometimes you have to change the scenario and change your habitat and adjust. But you know, I always talk to God, you know what I'm saying, when I'm in a I don't know phase, when I go through something traumatic, because at the end of the day, you know what I'm saying, that level of peace in mind allows me to see through the fire. And the fire hot as hell. But if you're able to make it through that opposite side of the fire, it's always going to elevate you mentally. It's going to elevate you spiritually. It's going to elevate you emotionally. You know, we are humans. We are very emotional individuals. When something traumatic happened to us, it's easy to shut down. It's easy to go crazy. It's easy to crash out. But you know, that's what we got. That's what we got God for. You know what I'm saying? That's what we got the word for. That's why we got the world for. Like, community is very strong in this. A lot of people, you know, only say God. And I say God because that's the deeper end of the perspective for me. But community is very important. You know, get close to your loved ones. Get close to your brothers, your sisters, your mom, your dad. You know what I'm saying? You only get one set of those. So you got to be very careful of how you know, attack these things when you feel like you're going in shutdown mode or you're in an IDK phase in life, because it's very important. Like, it's going to take you being around people. It's going to take prayer. It's going to take multiple things to get you back on track. You know what I'm saying? Like, my mind ain't completely gone. I know exactly what I got to do. It's just walking through that fire, not easy. Like, if it's a hotbed of coals on it, to walk through it is never easy. You get what I'm saying? But when you walk through it, you feel unstoppable. You feel invisible. Like, you get what I'm saying? Like, it just puts you in that place where it's like, damn, I did it. You know what I'm saying? But that's with the thanks of God. That's with the thanks of community. That's with the thanks of faith. That's with the thanks of belief. That's with the thanks of staying true to who you are. That's what it's always been about. You know what I'm saying? But as you guys can see, we got these T45s smacking on this lineup, boy. Gassing. We gassing, boy. That's one thing you're gonna get from my channel, bro. Like, I be trying to figure out, you know what I'm saying, what people could get different. And I just be forgetting that this level of consistency, this level of precision that we show over here, like, even before enhancements, the level of precision, how we tap the lineup, like, you could just tell, bro. Like, you could just tell. Like, you could tell, bro. Like, I've been a monster with what's going on. Beam Team cordless compressor, color no drip, and then just using the business card of mine because I couldn't find my Shine Cuts hair color enhancement card. I just go and lay some of this color down in the light areas. As you guys can see, my client is lightly thinning in the front, so I want to give it a little bit of boost. I want to, you know what I'm saying, enhance it a little bit. I want to bump that level up. I want to take my dog to another level. I want to change his image. That's what Beam does. I lay down foundational work, and we come behind that and we raise the hell out the bar. Because if we not raising the bar behind the chair, I'm not differentiating myself from any other barber that's ever cut this client head. Anytime somebody sit in my chair, I can guarantee you it's gonna look different than they sat in anybody else's chair. And that's that signature style. That's what Beam got. Like, that's who Beam is. I have a specific finish about me. Not saying that it's better than any barbers, but what I'm saying is when you sit in my chair, you know for a fact at the end, like, yeah, one of them ones cut you. So I lay my client back, angle my razor at a 45-degree angle, keep everything as clean as possible, keep everything as consistent as possible. And as you guys can see, like, he wanted his beard to be super wide. We want to grow it in so it don't have a chin strap look, and we gassing, bruh. Like, this is natural, you know what I'm saying, natural clean work. You guys can see, as a foundational barber, when I'm putting it together, man, bruh, it's special. So that's what I'm trying to do. I'm just trying to focus on keeping this image clean, keeping this image consistent, and getting my dog as sharp as possible, you know, and that's just who we are. Like, that's what Get Beamed is. Like, it's in my name, bro. Like, it's all about laser. It's all about precision. It's all about consistency. It's all about seeing it through. It's all about, you know what I'm saying, creativeness. It's all about authenticity. Like, a person that never compare me to another man. If it's not my father, if it ain't my granddad, you'll never compare me to another man, because I'm not jacking no other person's stilo. I don't care how well they influence or whatever it is. Like, I come from an authentic background. And granted, my dad, my granddad, they may have been influenced by other people in their life, but I don't know, you know what I'm saying? I don't know who they were really influenced by. But in terms of Beam, when it comes to this sector, when it comes to this niche on YouTube barbering, that boy in his own pocket, bruh. Down to the music, down to how I talk it on these, you know, commentaries, down how I flambe it on the camera with the cuts. Like, that boy a different species, man. And sometimes that gotta be your thing too. Words of affirmation, like I was mentioning earlier. I talk it the way that I talk it because I know people get mad, but I believe in me. You get what I'm saying? I believe in me. I know who I am. I know what I've done to put myself in this position in life. I know what I've been through. I know what fires I done made it through. I talk it like this because I walk it like this. That's the difference. I don't just get on the camera popping it just because I ain't did it. You know how many bars I done raised in this game? You got it, man. GG's. You know what I'm saying? Like, I've been through it. I know what to do. I know where I'm at in life. I know who I am. That's one thing I never question. I know who the hell I am. From the day one, I know who I am. And that won't change. But we gassed on this one. It's unfortunate that we get clients that come in the shop 2 months without a haircut looking crazy by the hair, but as barbers, it's up to us to change that outcome. Without further ado, let's lock in. Hashtag TBT in that comment section. Hashtag glass. Hashtag glacier gang. Hit that noti button. Hit that subscribe button. Drop a comment. Hit a like. And may God bless.
Alright, bro. You let me know what you think? Say it. It's true, bro. You see what I'm saying? It's super hollow, and I kept it like on literally the lightest hair, so you won't get that chin strap feel, but that fullness, that richness. And I'm gonna get under the neck, but I wanted to show you this first. Yeah, so you can see where you at. Yeah.
Yeah, that's how I wanted it.
Yeah.
That's how I wanted it.
Yeah.